Hi, get your family. Welcome to Ula Trending Mzansi. But it looks like bullies in South Africa were able to bully Nkosazana daughter straight to the gym because what a transformation. If you all remember a few years back, Nkosazana daughter was gaining weight and her fans they did not like it at all. But they kept on bullying her, leaving hateful comments on her post. They were also bullying how she will dress. They would bully her stylist. They would basically bully anything that had to do with Nkosazana daughter. It was quite painful to see or rather witness. But through it all, I have never seen Nkosazana daughter responding to those negative comments until this amazing transformation. Aisha, she looks beautiful indeed. But because this is quite beautiful indeed. And but because this is not only Nkosazana daughter who has been suffering such things. Also Ubusiswa, who lost weight and came back and announced and made a dramatic announcement that yes, Yena, she has lost weight. Well, people congratulated her, but the majority they were actually disputing the fact that she lost weight. They could not understand or comprehend ukuthi why did she lose weight. They bullied Ubusiswa Batrumkosi. They would leave comments on her post until she started gaining weight. You, at this point, one may wonder what must a celebrity do to live a peaceful life because it is quite hectic. It's like they're trying to be on level of what their fans are looking for. Will they even manage, Godwa? But Aisha, congratulations to Nkosazana daughter. If this is really what she wanted to do, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.